So given the graph, we will determine the limits. So papaliwanag ko lang yung graph. So meron tayo ditong curve line, and then this one is 1, and then 2, negative 1, negative 2, negative 1, negative 2, positive 1, and positive 2. Yeah. So given the graph, we will determine the following limits. So A, we have limit of f of x as x approaches 1 minus, or the left hand limit of f of x as x approaches 1. And then B, we have the limit of f of x as x approaches 1 plus, or the right hand limit of f of x as x approaches 1. And then C, we have the limit of f of x as x approaches 1. So, itong letter A natin is the left hand limit, si letter B is the right hand limit, and then si C ay two-sided limit, or pag pinag-combine na natin si A and B, ito siya. So, we will determine the limits given this graph. So, let's start with A, which is the limit of f of x as x approaches 1 minus. So, ang gagawin lang natin, since positive 1 yan, again, this is only a symbol na siya ay left hand, pero hindi yan sign. So, positive 1 pa rin tayo. So, hahanapin nyo lang yung x equals 1. So, ang x equals 1 natin ay ito. Okay. So, ngayon, since ayan nandyan yung ating x equals 1, titingnan nyo lang kung ano yung nakatapat sa kanyang line, or yung nakatapat sa kanyang point dun sa graph natin. So, meron tayong isa dito and meron tayong isa dito. Ayan. So, yung isa shaded, yung isa open or butas. Okay. So, ngayon, hanapin mo lang muna ang location na itong point na to. So, itong point na to ay ang coordinate niya ay 1 and positive 2. So, ito ay positive 1 and then positive 2. Okay, so next one. Ito naman ay, ang x natin dito ay 1. And then, ang y naman natin dito ay negative 1. So, kung babalikan natin yung definition ng limit, which is the limit of f of x as x approaches a is equal to L. Okay. Kapag yung coordinate ng limit, ang x natin dyan ay yung a, at yung y natin ay L. Okay. So, ang x natin ay a, ang y natin ang L. So, dito, limit of f of x as x approaches 1 minus, ang hinahanap natin dyan ay yung L. Ito ang hinahanap natin, yung L. So, ngayon, titingin ka sa 1, and then, meron siyang dalawang point na nakatapat sa kanya. Pero, since ito ay left hand limit, so, yung linya dapat ay yung linya na galing sa baba. Yun yung left hand. Kapag ang linya ay galing sa taas, yun naman ay right hand. So, since itong point na to ay nakatapat, and then itong line na to ay papataas, therefore, this is the left hand limit. Okay, so since ito ay A, and then ito ay L, so therefore, ang L natin dito ay 2. Palitan na natin siya ng 2. So, the answer in limit of f of x as x approaches 1 minus is equal to 2. Okay, so next naman natin, number 2, which is the limit of f of x as x approaches 1 plus, or the right hand limit naman nung 1. So, ang right hand limit natin, ganun pa rin, kay positive 1 pa rin tayo titingin. And, syempre, since siya ay right hand, kailangan yung point na kukunin mo, may linya na galing sa taas. Ayan. Siya si right hand limit. So, therefore, this point is the right hand limit of 1. So, since ito ang ating A, and then ito ang ating L, therefore, ang sagot sa letter B, the limit of f of x as x approaches 1 plus ay itong negative 1 natin. So, this is the negative 1. Alright. Okay, so next natin is the letter C, which is the limit of f of x as x approaches 1. So, two-sided limit na siya. It means pinagsama na yung left hand saka right hand. So, si limit of f of x as x approaches 1 ay mag-e-exist lang kung equal yung kanyang left hand and right hand, yung L. So, ang L natin dito ay 2, or yung value ng left hand niya ay 2, and then yung value ng right hand niya ay negative 1. So, makikita nyo naman, si left hand is not equal to the right hand limit. Silang dalawa. Hindi sila equal or not equal. Therefore, si two-sided limit niya ay hindi nag-e-exist. Therefore, limit of f of x as x approaches 1 does not exist. So, yun lang po yun. So, how about baguhin naman natin yung ating A, gawin natin negative 1. So, how about limit of f of x as x approaches negative 1, right hand. And then, we have letter B, limit of f of x as x approaches negative 1, minus or the left hand. And then, the two-sided limit, which is the limit of f of x as x approaches negative 1. So, kanina, tumitingin tayo sa positive 1. Pero dito, ang given na natin ay negative 1. So, titingin na tayo dun sa x negative 1. So, this one. So, kung makikita natin, ang nakatapat lang sa kanya ay isang dot, which is shaded. Itong part na to. So, hanapin muna natin yung coordinate nitong point na to. And yung point na yan is negative 1, yung kanyang x. And then, ang y niya ay, so, negative 1 ang x, ang y niya ay positive 1. So, negative 1 and 1 ang kanyang coordinate. So, kung makikita natin, dito may dalawang line. Isang pababa at isa naman na pataas. Therefore, yung kanyang left hand, which is this one, and then yung right hand niya, which is this one, ay nagsishare ng common point or nagsishare sila ng same coordinate. So, ito ang ating A, and then this one ang ating L. Therefore, si A and B ay pareho since ito ang kanyang left hand limit, ito ay right hand limit. So, sa line kayo tumingin, ito ay pababa, and then ito ay pataas, and then they are just sharing the same point. So, pareho ang L nila ay 1. So, this one is equal to 1, and then ang Y, ang L din natin dito sa B ay 1. So, how about letter C? Si letter C naman is the two-sided. Iko-combine natin to. So, since yung left hand is 1, and then the right hand is 1, so equal sila. Therefore, since 1 sila pareho, ang two-sided limit natin, ang value ng L natin ay 1 na din. And then, the limit of f of x as x approaches negative 1 exists. So, we're done. And, ayan, thumbs up, we're done. So, kung may tanong kayo, huwag kayong mahiyang mag-comment and sasagutin ko ang inyong mga katanungan. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you!